What do you do when the market opens on Monday? Hi traders, it's good to be back again. Sorry, I wasn't able to share or do any videos for last week because I was away. I was out of town, and what a joy I'm back, and I'm pleased to do something new again for us for the week ahead. Yeah, I started a series about 2 weeks ago about what the market will do and what you do when the market opens on Monday. And I said we started looking at having a roadmap for the week and which is my trading style. Your roadmap could be price action, it could be Elliott wave, it could be any tool you use to be able to read what market has done for the week, the previous week, and for the week ahead. Today I'll be looking at support and resistance zones. And these are zones where buyers and sellers do their exchange in the market. You find buyers always locking around support zones, and you find sellers locking around very good resistance zones. And at such areas, those are the areas that you look out for as a trader based on price action to know if prices will go beyond a particular zone of support or zone of resistance. And for price action, we use candlesticks to tell if we have momentum to go higher in an area of resistance or to go lower. Now, without further ado, we'll look at some major pairs and see what we can make of what I just said. Now, I'm starting with the GBP USD, and we saw prices go way up onto 1.3514 in price based on the election results that came out for the week that has just passed. And I, for one, I'm not too keen with the news. The news is fine. We use it to gauge and gain momentum where we've read price action correctly. Now, what do I expect in the market? Basically, prices have come up to 1.3515 and has left a week. It went into a resistance zone and has been rejected. From what I see, what price has done now, I expect a retest of the highs at the 1.35 area. I can zoom in to get a clearer picture. Yes, price action is still telling me it would it would try to go a bit higher before selling. Let's zoom in, looking at the 4 hour. Now, what I have here, what do we do? I'll place a buy stop order at 1.3380 and I'll be aiming for 1.3470 before we continue to sell. I'll be aiming prices to get as high as 1.3470 before we continue selling. But we could see prices turn around 1.3445. So basically, you can take your profits at 1.3440. When you enter, you place your pending buy stop order at 1.3380. That should be for about 60 pips. which would be nice for us. For those that are subscribed to my channel, you get daily updates based on what price action has done for each day. Going up to look at the GBP card, GBP Canadian dollar pair. Yes, now looking at what prices have done again, I see prices reverse really, even with the GBP USD, because we are in a strong resistance where prices have tested multiple times in the past. You can see one here, and around another one around here, and prices coming to this zone. So I'm expecting a retest of the highs before prices go lower. Now let's zoom in like we've done with the other pair. I expect prices to go up to the high here we have is at 1.7791. Let's see how what prices would do if it retests the zone. On looking at 4 hours, we are looking at something that looks close to what we have here. So I'll be putting a buy stop above this high at 1.7645, and I'll be aiming for the high at 1 point, no, the high here is at 1.7645, and I'll be aiming for the high at 1.7735 before we look forward to going lower. Looking at gold, the next pair, I'm looking at this gold, and for gold, basically using my top-down analysis, I'm expecting gold to continue higher. From what I see here is resume momentum to the upside. So we might see a small retracement and we continue upwards to 1.1484. We could even go higher than that. Let's zoom in to get a clearer view. Now, based on the price action, what do I expect? Now, from what prices have done here, we could still see a sell. It's quite possible because it. We have something that looks like a bearish flag pattern here. It looks like a bearish flag pattern here. So we could safely place our pending sell stop at 1448. 1448. And we'll be selling to as low as 1434. That's the first support here, 1434. We could go beyond the support, depends on how price action goes lower. But if prices would want to go higher, means we have to place a buy stop at 1489, 1489, and we'll look forward to prices going up to 1497, 1497. Let me zoom to get it, see how clear the picture is going to look like. Okay, what we have here, we we've gotten a bearish engulfing here, and prices have stayed below the high of this. So this, a break and close above this high will invalidate this sell signal here. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed and go with the buy, either the buy stop upward to 1497 or the sell stop going lower to 1434. Let's look at USD card, US dollar, Canadian dollar pair. Quick top down analysis again. We're looking at what I have here. I'm looking at a small retracement upwards, and we'll continue lower to 1.3125. Let's zoom in on the daily. Yeah, we could see on the daily what I have here. Wait for prices to come into this zone at 1.3240 before we go lower. Wait for prices to come into this zone before we look for reversal candles around here to continue lower. Let me look at the 4-hour to see if we can get a good sell position. And what we have here, we still need to wait for price to get to this area before we continue selling. Let's use the card. Let's look at the Euro USD. That's my last pair. Alrighty, let's look at the weekly. For the weekly, we have resumed momentum upwards. I see prices going beyond the high of last week, which is at 1.1199. Prices closed at 1.1118. Let's zoom in quickly. Now we had a strong pin bar candle around this resistance zone on the daily. So what do I expect? I expected the tests of the high before we continue lower. On 4 hours, what does it look like? Let's say buy stop around 1.1140 and aim for the top at 1.1170. If prices go way beyond that, we could, once we have a break and close above this, then we'll be going beyond the high. For now, you can place your TP at 1.1170, entering at 1.1140, about 30 pips upwards. For those who are subscribed to my channel, my daily subscription rather, I do give them updates on a daily basis based on what price action has done for each day. Well, that will be that for today, for the week, and I believe this video has been helpful. Like I always say, you can subscribe so you can always get notification on my videos as I upload them. If this video has also been beneficial to you, click the like button. It helps me bringing out more of such videos in the future. You can share it on your various social media platforms, and also bring help to other traders. Well, having said that, that will be all for the week ahead. And be mindful of your support and resistance zones whenever market opens on Monday. That's where you're able to tell where the buyers and the sellers are. And buyers and sellers are what determines every market. There's no buyer without a seller, and there's no seller without a buyer. And if you don't have that, then there's no market. That's what you look out for on Monday. And based on that, take your positions and rake in the profits. Well, that will be that for now. Happy trading and bye for now.